Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for watching this video where I'm gonna be talking about Haftor Bjornsson, the strongest man in the world, and how he got a hair transplant. By the way, you are watching the Hair Transplant channel where it's all about stopping our hair loss, getting our hair back and hair transplant. If you like this video, if you enjoy this content, please make sure you subscribe right now to be able to enjoy more videos like this one in the future. Hit also the notification bell. Alright guys, now let's come back to Haftor Bjornsson, also known from the TV series Game of Thrones. You know, because I follow him on the Instagram and I started noticing things that only hair transplant guys can notice. And these pictures, like this one or like this one, take a look at his hair. These pictures reminded me of how I used to look like 1 month, 2 months after my hair transplant. So that was very easy for me to conclude that he got a hair transplant. He was like Norwood 3, I suppose, but with a potential to become Norwood 6, Norwood 7 in the future, because I see some receding in his mid-scalp and on his crown as well. So he's also probably on medication, taking probably finasteride and minoxidil to keep his mid-scalp hair and crown hair alive, so it's not gonna fall out. That's how his hairline used to look like. You can see it on this picture here. On the right, we can see how his hairline will probably look like. I tried to recreate it for you in order to see the difference. So please let me know in the comments below how you like the difference. This is the hairline that he is gonna achieve probably during the 6 to 12 months after hair transplant, okay? Because as you know, if you're watching this channel for the first time, your hair after hair transplant is gonna regrow between the 6 and 12 months after your hair transplant. This is the time where you will see the most amount of hair regrowth, okay? What would you do in his case? Would you have done a hair transplant or not? Or would the bald head look suit him better? In my opinion, is a good decision, no matter how muscular you are, how masculine you are. I think, in my opinion, just my opinion, hair transplant is gonna always improve your look, because it's gonna frame your face nicely. It's gonna make you younger, you know. If he's gonna age, it's gonna be like 40, 50. At the end, he's just gonna look way younger with a hair transplant, as if he hasn't done any hair transplant. I'm bringing you fresh updates about hair loss, hair transplant clinics. I'm the guy who's telling you about if the hair loss research is moving forward or if it's just staying at the same spot as it was 5 years ago, procrastinating, you know. So that's what I'm judging on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to it as well, and also subscribe to my email list where you get a free ebooks, 5 things I wish I'd known before my hair transplant. That's the name of my ebook. It's for free. You can read about all my mistakes that I did, I wish I've done differently before my first hair transplant. You're gonna also get free information on hair transplant clinics, quality hair transplant clinics for a good price, so make sure you don't miss that. There's a link in the description below. And other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment below what you think about Haftor Bjornsson hair transplant and how do you find it. Do you like it, or should he have just stayed bald because it would have just suited him better that way? So let me know your opinions. I'm always interested in those. I'm interacting, you know that I'm always commenting and answering. Thank you again for watching, and I'm looking forward to you in the next video. That was Matt Dominance, guys. See ya.